In this video, I will show you step by step how to upload a folder in Google Drive. So if you do have a folder with multiple files, documents, photos, PDFs or videos, and you want to upload the whole folder to Google Drive at once, this tutorial will show you exactly what to do. Before we do get started, make sure to like this video, comment below if you do have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Google Drive tutorials and simple tech guides. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come across to google.com, and then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the Google Apps icon. From here, you're going to see the icon for your Google Drive. Give that a click and that's going to take you to your Google Drive. From here, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side, click the new button, and on this menu that comes up, you can see the option for folder upload. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer. From here, you can locate the folder that you want to upload. So mine is on my desktop. I'm just going to upload this folder called Photos. So you want to click to select it and then come and click onto upload at the bottom. So once you do this, you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to start uploading that folder. And to find the folder and files, just come over to the left hand side, click onto My Drive in the menu, and you should find the folder in here. So mine is here, Photos, and we can see all the files in the folder. So that is how to upload a folder in Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.